So in today's video, I'm gonna share with you how you can verify your YouTube channel in Ghana with no stress. We all know that these days, um, verifying our channel in Ghana with our Ghana number seems to be a very big problem. You know, because when you try verifying your number, they will tell you that they are not able to send the code to the number. So in this video, I'll share with you how you can verify your number, your YouTube channel with a number. Stay tuned, click on the subscribe button and then click on the notification bell icon so that you don't miss any video that we post on this channel. So what we're gonna do right now here is that I'll click on the user icon here and then come to YouTube Studio. YouTube Studio, wait for it to load and then click on settings. Then I'll come to channel, feature eligibility, then click on the 2. As you can see, before I can post videos longer than 15 minutes, I'm supposed to verify the number, and then before I can customize my thumbnails, I have to verify the number, and then before I can make live streaming, I'm supposed to verify the number, same as this. So what I have to do right now is to verify the phone number. So I'll click on verify phone number, and in this case we using a Ghanaian number is not gonna work, so we have to look for a way to verify the number. So this is what we're gonna do. There is a site that you can buy send numbers for your verification. You can also go to this site, Quacker or something like that, yeah, and then click on it, like get a US number. I'll use this number and then see if it's gonna work. Yeah, I'll be trying to use this number and then paste to see if it will work. Then I'll click on get code. The number is associated with too many channels, so I'll have to get a unique number. So in this case, I'll come here to this site. This site is not free. For this site, it's not free. You have to buy. Yeah, you will have to buy. So in the next video, I will make a full video on how you can buy a number here, make a deposit, and the interesting thing in the next video that I'm gonna post is that I'll show you how you can make a deposit on this without using your own money. Yeah, but you will have to do some 1 or 2 things to get money into this. So in this case, I will choose Kazakhstan. I'll choose Kazakhstan and then buy a number from here. Okay, and then come back to YouTube and then change the country here and then look for Kazakhstan. And this is the country, Kazakhstan. and then I'll put it here. And then get code. Oh, sorry. Get code. There was a problem. So getting a number, this place too, there's a problem sending the code. So I will have to check for another country. So this is what I have to do. I'll cancel this, then come back, look for another country. I think India in this case will be okay, and then buy an Indian number, go back to YouTube, and then change to India, put the number here, and then get code. So the code has been sent. I'll go back to the 5sim.net site and then check if the code has been sent here. I'll refresh. So this is the code. The code has been sent here. So I'll copy the code and then go back to YouTube and then put the code here and then submit. Finally, the account has been verified. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel, click on the notification bell icon so that when I post the next video on how you can get free money to deposit on the 5sim.net, you don't miss the video. Thank you for watching once again. Bye.